Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add digital signature in WPForm plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WPForm plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write digital signature for WPForm. So this is plugin digital signature for WPForm we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to WPForm builder and refresh the page, and then in field section you see digital signature. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see digital signature added, and then you see option duplicate delete. So click on it, and then in general you see label. So you can add label according to your requirement, and then you see custom error message, make it required, and if you want you can add your custom error message, and then click on save. Now form save done. Now go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see digital signature. So we are going to fill this form. So we added some information, and then you see digital signature. So you can add your sign, and then click on submit button, and then you see submission message. Now go to Gmail to check. So we are in Gmail now and we receive form notification, and then you see all information, name, date, phone, paragraph, email, and then you see digital signature we added on our form. Now back to form builder. So just install plugin and then drag and drop this field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.